See here. Uh, today, today's
Hmm.
topic. My sound is clear. My voice is clear.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Today's topic we are going to see. It's our troll. Troll. I'm explaining you what is troll.
Mhm.
Okay. Already we
Mhm.
have discussed Cubeatrix. Okay. In Cubeatrix, total 5 is there. We have seen Cubeatrix
Mhm.
1. We have seen Cubeatrix 2. Okay.
Mhm.
3 is remaining.
Mhm.
We will see these 3. Okay, not so important, but like we will see these 3. All are working as same as it is. Okay, so let me come on the troll. Is very much important. Understood why
Mhm.
troll is came. Troll is help you see what I'm teaching you. This is your OSCP lab. Okay, it will help
Mhm.
you in the OSCP advance. Troll is a part of Cubeatrix. Troll, this all is coming in your OSCP. Are you getting my points? Cubeatrix,
Mhm.
when you're talking about Cubeatrix, when you're talking about troll, this all in the live attack inside your, for enumeration, I'm talking
Mhm.
in your OSCP. Understood? So very much important. Not only this is the part, because if you are coming in your pen test,
Mhm.
this is not more lab. More lab means not deep depth. I'm talking about not very depth. You will learn here. Understood? But I'm teaching you this part because OSCP also you can understand. Then after CISSP to understand, help you enumeration part. Clear my point?
Mhm.
Okay. So let
Mhm.
me come on the troll. What is the troll here? Same as it is. This is also same as it is. Cubeatrix. Okay. Write the points. Help in OSCP lab. Points you write. Help in OSCP lab. Okay. The dark triad brings together three types of online cyber attacks. Okay, three types of online.
Can you give me the ability to record? I will see.
Giving you, wait a minute, cyber attack. It's not coming to you. You try once.
No, please request record from
I am
permission
giving
from
you.
the.
See here, it's not showing you. Okay, after recording, I will say it to you. Okay, fine. It's
Okay.
not coming here. That option is not coming. Ask to start video. Record session should become. It's not. See here. What is part? Three types of online cyber attacks. What are the three types here? Hacking, misinformations, trolling. Understood?
Mhm.
These are the three. Hacking is there, misinformations providing to the whom? To the target.
Mhm.
Getting my point? If I'm talking
Mhm.
about misinformations, this part is coming on the target.
Okay.
Clear? And
Mhm.
trolling is also the part. So we are learning the trolling. Troll. Clear? Let's come
Mhm.
on here. So the question again here, what is the dark side of cyber attack? What is the dark side Triad we have discussed, no, that three: hacking, misinformation, and trolling. Dark triad
Okay.
of cyber attacks. Okay, here
Mm-hmm.
the part is the common thread that connects all of these attacks, that connects all of three attacks. They are in the park of dark triad. Okay, understood. Next point right here. Cyber attack consists of, if I'm talking about the cyber attacks, what is the meaning of cyber attacks? We are always discussing that when we are coming on that in the cyber part, the point, it start from that target, the points is coming inside our mind. It's sitting in our mind like what is cyber attacks?
Mm-hmm.
Clear? That is the question come to our mind. So the cyber is telling you the cyber attacks consists of, right, the point here, cyber attacks consists of misinformations, hacking, or trolling to the various degree. To the various degree. Understood? The point is here degree,
Mm-hmm.
which is more important. Like, understood? If I produce misinformations to the target, if I produce hacking to the target, and if I
Mm-hmm.
produce trolling to the target, so which is more important to get, to create a vulnerability? Understood or not?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
This is the meaning of your degree. Clear my point?
Okay.
I'm giving the best examples. Always remember this point. The example is during the last, when someone is asked you that question, what is the trolling? The best example give me for the trolling. Understood?
Okay.
Trolling best example right here. During the last presidential election, when the Russians, I'm talking about presidential elections where in USA.
Okay.
Understood? When the Russians hacked, you heard about this point.
Yeah,
When
I hear
the,
that.
yeah, so Russians hacked into the Democratic National Committee, that is DNC, used used to stolen data to seed. What is important? Seed what? Misinformations, websites, or organized a trawling organized a trawling campaign. Understood the point? This is a trawl. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
So I already told you basically trawl we will use inside our OSCP lab. Okay. So
Okay.
let me come in the lab part. We'll see here. See here, I have trawl here. I will start my trawl. First, I will start my Kali. This is my trawl. If you don't have the image of the trawl, okay, what I will do, I will upload my trawl on my
The
Google
troll
Drive.
is
Okay?
a system.
Yeah. I will upload on my Google Drive, and you should try to download from there. Okay.
Okay.
My Kali is ready.
Okay.
And even my trawl is also ready here. Okay, trawl is also ready. Fine. I will come on the Kali. What I will do, I will check the vulnerability. I will check for the enumeration, the IP address, vulnerable IP address. I will check here. What is the command we will use here? Net discover. Write the
Net
command.
discover
Correct.
E
Just a minute.
Ethernet 0.
I Ethernet
0.
Ethernet 0.
My Kali Unix is not working for the moment because I don't have any space.
Oh.
I need to free some space today.
You purchase one hard disk, okay, and keep all.
I already ordered.
I have 5 terabytes. I have five
Oh,
terabytes and approx like 3 to 4. That's it is completely you have like filled up with the
yes.
documents and all. So
I just bought
obviously,
a
if you are in this field right now, you should have to keep like at least nearby of like 2-3 terabytes of
yes.
hard disk.
I just bought 1.5 terabyte.
Okay, I don't think like 1.5 is more enough for your like OACP and this what you are learning. Okay, because
Yeah,
like
for the moment.
documentation and all.
For the moment.
Okay. See, these are the live. Okay, that is the things here. What you are getting, this is live. You're finding this is the live streaming.
Okay, sir.
See, I got dot 2, dot 254.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just hold a second. Okay, let me check with dot 2 here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I will use Nmap scanning, Nmap port, then after A, my IP address is 192.168.137.2. 192.168.137.2. Let me check.
Mm-hmm.
Today we will try on focus on FTP, file transfer protocol. Okay,
Okay.
we will work on the. Let me see. It will open FTP or not. FTP, file transfer protocol, where anonymity is allowed. See here where anonymity is allowed. Understood my point? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see here. If I'll be go with dot 2, not shown ports, it's open TCP with 53, correct? Then after it's open 172 RTT, that is trace route, and not more. Okay, so this is not the correct one. Okay, dot 2 is not the part of there with your troll. So what I will do, I will minimize this one, and I will come here again. I will restart this one. Okay,
Okay.
power off, and again I will start it. I will come on the Kali. Yes, come on the Kali. I will close this one again. Let it be start once again. Okay. Let me come here again. I will try net discover with my Ethernet 0. Net 0. Let it be checked. See, I got dot 2 first, then after dot one is came.
Mm-hmm.
Just wait. Let me try with 254. Okay.
Okay.
Like I'm getting only 3 IP. So with that 3 IP, I will check the enumeration. So mine is Nmap. I will use the Nmap here. Port scanning. With the IP address is 192.168.137. Dot my 254. Let it be scan. Again, I will open the other port. I will use the Nmap same as it is. And here, 131 in place of this one. Dot two.
Oh, you have to check it before.
Yeah, I will check all three, 254 and all three I will try. Dot one is also there. Let me check once because this is providing me only that 3 IP. Okay, so just
Okay.
come here and see. This is one is scanning right now with 254. If I'll be come on dot two is showing me 53 and not with FTP ports. This route is going. See, it's showing you OS and service detection performed. Please report any incorrect is there. You can go through the Nmap. So nothing is no wrong. I will getting here. I will come on dot this one. Let it be scanned with dot one. Okay, one more thing. What I will do? Let me check. It is connected with NAT or not. You understood my point? So just
Yes.
come here and on the toll I will go. See, it is here host only. You understood my point? So we need it on the NAT part. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So that is the your troubleshooting also. That is basic troubleshooting, but you have to know. Because of that only I'm not getting the IP address. You understood my point? Because it is only showing me 1, 2 and 254. That is the like default IPs you will get. Okay.
Okay.
So this is not the way. So what I will do? Again I will go and again I will do the scanning part, right? So control C, right? Clear.
Mm-hmm.
Come here. Again you do Ethernet 0. Let me check once. Sorry, Ethernet 0. Enter. So when you are working, your mind should be here only. Understood my point? On the
Yes, yes.
target always. Because small mistakes, it will be expose you. See, I got 128. You understood? Right.
Mm-hmm.
128 I got here. You are seeing
Yes.
here. This
Yes.
is mine 128. Before that, it was not showing because it was not connected with NAT. Understood?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So I got here 128. So what I will do,
Mm-hmm.
I will come here. I will open the other terminal, close this one, clear it,
Mm-hmm.
and then after nmap port with 192.168.137 network 128. Correct now? Let me check
Okay.
this one. It will open the various ports. All 60 scanned. Okay, match host to give space operating system. 128 is there. Once again. 190. Oh, sorry. 145.128.
145.128.
Correct. 145. 145. 128. How's your college is going? University. Class is over?
Yeah. Not yet. I'm just working on my final project proposal now.
Okay. It's a cyber
Yes.
security or cyber, right? You are
Not
in the
cyber
cyber.
security. I'm doing
Mhm.
MSc there.
Okay. MSc. MSc in
MSc
which? Computer science.
computer science.
Okay. So when it will over? In November, December?
December normally.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
I will do this meeting online. I will do it online. We can do it online.
Yeah. All classes are going online only then 10 days.
Yes.
Just taking time. Let me come here. Check VMNet 8 details. 137. 137 I am getting, but there it is showing 145. So that is not correct. You understood my point. See here,
Mm-hmm.
VMNet 8.
Mm-hmm.
VMNet 8 is my NAT. Okay, you understood.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to check the IPs here. Details if you'll be go, you are getting from 137 network, right? See 192.168.137 network. So my call should be come in 137 network, but it is showing me when you come here, it is showing you. That's why it is not working properly. It is showing me
Mm-hmm.
145 network. This is not the correct. You understood, right?
Okay.
192, 168, 145. 145 is not my uh, the NAT part. If you want to see here, also you can come here, go in the virtual editors, right? Let it be open. And VMNet 8 is 137. I'm getting host. You understood? 145.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? 192,
Okay.
168, 145 network. It is replicate here 145.128. That is not my NAT part. That is a host. So what I will do, I will come here
Okay.
because yeah, you have to restart once again. See here, it is after installing, right? I given the host. You understood?
Okay.
So when it started, after that I went and then after I changed, because of that only it is not taking the NAT. It is showing that is the host part. So you have to do here, you should come again and you have to restart it again. Okay. What you do? Power off, power off it,
Okay.
and then after start. Yes. Come here. Go in the settings and check. That is net. Okay. Fine. Come on the Kali. Close this part. You understood what I'm
So,
telling you. 145 is showing me for host. And troll, when I open the troll on that time, first time it was in the host part, right? It is showing you host. So that IP address is replicate. See, right now I got 129. You understood? 129 from 137 network. So what I will do, I will come here and I will check for 129. Okay.
okay.
So you should come Control C and do 129. 129 from the same network, right? Let me check.
Mm-hmm. So, what is the difference between NAT network and a bridge network?
See, breezing like that, when you are that 2 or 3 host is there, right? You are breeze it, understood or not? And
Okay.
when you want to connect with
Mm-hmm.
your internet and all, that's why we will
Mm-hmm.
use the NAT part there, network address translation. It will use your CCNA security part is there, right? Pending.
Yeah. You did not take it. Sir.
Okay, I will do. See here, I got here. See, after replicating this one, let me come here. I got after this part. See, this is the part. This is the port 21 FTP. Okay,
Yes.
this part. So we will work right now today. This
Mm-hmm.
part here FTP. Okay, FTP this part. Understood? 22
Mm-hmm.
SSH. This is the key 10242048. This is the key size it's showing you here. You understood? Come down. What I'm explaining now, work on that. Understood? You will not get on internet even on YouTube even this thing. Here, come here. See, Linux platform operating system information also it is giving you. Okay, kernel size is showing you CP and this one kernel size. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
come down back. See here. This is the complete informations for you.
Okay.
Okay, so what I will do, I will
Mm-hmm.
basically today on the troll, I will use FTP. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
where the anonymity is allowed. Okay, where the
Okay.
anonymity is allowed. One more thing, I have to install FTP. See here, that execution part. You remember RWX. This is the execution part is there. Understood? Execution.
Read, write.
Read write execution. Correct. These are the part
Mm-hmm.
of the execution. It is coming here. Okay. So what I
Yes.
will do, let me come and see. This is my version here. See 8086. This is LOL. This is the version. It is telling you writable, not for executable. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
One by one, everything I am explaining. Okay. LOL,
Mm-hmm.
this part. So we will do on this part. Understood?
LOL is for what?
This is the version here for your FTP.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
What for anonymity? Understood?
Okay.
Right? Questions should be come to you. Okay, what I'm teaching you, go with that.
Okay.
Fine. So what we will do,
Mm-hmm.
for that we will install what? FTP server. Install FTP server
Mm-hmm.
inside Kali. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So just come, close this part also. Open CLI. So what is the command you will use? apt, right? apt get,
Okay. Great.
then after install,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is the basic command we are using, and I will install
For
FTP. Enter it. See here, it is telling you installed. Okay,
okay.
right? Installed manually.
Mm-hmm.
Install FTP server. Clear?
Okay.
After that, what I will do, I will write the
Mm-hmm.
command here. FTP FTP
Mm-hmm.
IP address is what? My IP address is 192.168.137, right?
Okay.
137 dot 130 what? 129. 9.
129. Yeah, 9. 129.
No, 128.
128. 8.
128.
Yeah.
Okay, 128. Enter. FTP connect. It is showing you. Okay, it is showing you FTP connect, connection refused, right? It is
Okay.
telling me connection refused.
Okay.
Connection refused. Okay. Okay, let me write here. Uh, name. Let me write here name. Name. Enter. Yes, and name. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. FTP exit control C exit FTP 192. Let me check once again. My IP address
Mm-hmm.
is 128, right? One, no, sorry. 192.160. 129 is there, not 128. You understood? That's why it was showing you
Hey,
refuse.
that's what I said actually. It is
Yeah,
one
yeah. FTP 192.168 dot 137, right? Dot
mm-hmm.
129. Correct?
It is 137, not 138.
Uh-huh. Okay. Control C 137 dot 129. Enter. Name it is asking, right? See here.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
If everything fine, it is connected. Okay.
Okay.
Follow. Name. I will give the name as anonymous. Okay. Because I don't know. So I will use the name as A double N. Sorry. A N O NYMOUS. MOMOUS, anonymous. Okay, so let me
Mm-hmm.
come here. ANONYMOUS, anonymous. Enter password. It is asking same password I will give. ANONYMOUS.
Mm-hmm.
See here, what is telling you? Login successful.
Login successfully.
Right, it is
Mm-hmm.
telling you my login successful. For what? For my
For
troll.
troll.
Troll. Understood. With the help of
Mm-hmm.
what? With the help of FTP.
Mm-hmm.
Getting my points?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Steps are there. So what I will do, I will come on FTP. That file is there. You remember I told you LOL dot PCAP AP file is there.
One
Remember,
module.
no? That
PC and
file.
computer code. Yes, I remember, sir.
Yeah, anonymity
Okay.
file.
Okay.
File.
But sir, I asked, what is the meaning of that LOL
This is
pickup?
a, yeah, that is your, so many files are there with the name of that something different. You understood?
Mm-hmm.
Getting like if you go in the services, so many things. You come here. Let's see the Microsoft services. If you'll be open the services. This is related to your FTP. See here. It's open services. Lots of things. See WBS Creative Acrobat is there, Readiness is there, Layer Gateway is there, Behavior Detection System is there. Are you getting my point? See here. COM is there, Code is there, Core Messaging is there, Device Install Messaging is there, Diagnostic System Host is there. Are you getting? DNS Client is there. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
See HP, Hyper-V, Intel, IPsec Policy Agent. So lots of services are running inside your like operating system. You understood?
Mm-hmm.
So when you are installing, when you are working on like some kinds of your protocol, so lots of feature inside that. So
Mm-hmm.
lol pcap is the kinds of file is there, that is anonymity file that will help you to create anonymity with the help of your crawl inside the crawl. Okay, getting.
But even when we did the scanning, but we found that that file also lol pickup.
That see here, when we are nmap, when we are in scanning on that time, what it was showing you, you got
Yes, it
here,
was showing.
it was showing you writable. Okay, this
Mm-hmm.
file you seen, right? Remember, right? Writable, not for executable.
Mm-hmm.
I want this one for executable. Understood? File transfer
Mm-hmm.
protocol is what? You are uploading your kinds of pics, videos. Understood? These
Mm-hmm.
all will be help with your FTP protocol, file transfer protocol. I'm sending something to you. How it is going with the help of FTP?
You
Understood?
send it. Okay.
Clear? So that is the things is coming. So let's come here. Okay. So what I will do, I will write the command as get dot tcap. Enter. What it is telling you successfully. See here, right? Get commands. I
But
want to
to
install here.
so
It
we
is,
are accessing the file lol now, right?
yeah, correct. This is showing me successfully installed or download. Understood my point, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Okay. What we will do here, guys,
Mm-hmm.
one more thing. We have TCP dump. TCP dump. This is same work as your Wireshark. Write this point. Why we will use Wireshark? Capture.
Need to capture information.
Right, no? Capturing the
Information.
info. So on the CLI we will use the TCP dump. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do here, we want to capture the packets. Why? Because we are sending packets, no, FTP, with the help of FTP, file transfer protocol. What we are doing, we are exchange our information. Correct or not?
Okay.
Info, right? I want to send my pics to you, how it is going. So I want to check where on the CLI. So I will use TCP dump. Okay, understood.
Okay.
If
Okay.
I don't have facility with my Wireshark. Clear? Let's come see here. Commands I will use here. TCP dump right here. TCP dump. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I need for what? My file is lol. My file is lol lol pcap. Right. This is the file, no?
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So I will run this file here. So I will write lol dot pipe less. Show me the source. See here, SR is there. Less after that, SR. See here, I got it.
This is for what?
This is the commands here. It will show me same like I'm getting there, right, on the Wireshark packets, right?
Mm-hmm.
Packets. Okay. So with the help of TCP dumps, TCP dump also, we will get the capture the packets, because we install what? We install FTP, correct? Right.
Mm-hmm.
And then after what? We have installed, we have checked the anonymity
Mm-hmm.
on the particular IP address of stall. Understood? Getting.
Okay.
After that, what we do, we have inside the FTP server, I
Mm-hmm.
install what? My anonymity file lol.pcap, correct or not? With the help of
Okay.
get commands, right? We have done this part. After that,
Mm-hmm.
what I will do, I will capture the packet. Where? On the Kali. Because like this is the word, no? Like this way is working, correct or not? Understood?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So we want to check the vulnerability where? Inside my Kali, correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting? So how we
Yeah.
will check? I will check with the help of TCP dump command. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Getting my point? So here what I am getting from here.
But what are those informations?
These are the information captured the packets. When the packets is going from your Kali to here, troll. These are the
Okay.
information is coming. Understood my
Okay.
point? See here what I'm getting. Let's see. Just a second. See here. What is coming? NOMS. It is showing you. With the help of username NOMS, I log in, right? See here.
Yes.
It is showing me user is NOMS. Why? Because I'm using the plain text. Are you getting my point? NOMS is showing here. Okay. Calm down. This one I shown you. Come here. See here. It is asking me, please specify the password. Understood? This is the password. I use the anonymous. Clear? Right? Come up. Something I want to show you here. See, a user is anonymous, right? Password. Password is accepted. That's why it is showing you password. Okay. Login is successful. It is showing you. Down, 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 down.
But that is not my password.
Yeah. No, password it will not show you. What is the username and password? Because password I use in the cipher, right? It was not showing you. Remember or not? Understood? Okay. So what you do up to here, you perform the task. Okay. After that, what we will do with the help of our browsers. Okay. Tomorrow, with the help of our browsers, we will try to download the files. Okay. Tomorrow, download the
Don't from where?
files. FTP files is there because this is the CLI information is given here. Okay. Through browsers, we will try to download it. Understood? We will go inside the browsers and we will download the files, anonymity files. Okay, anonymous file, anonymous file we will download. Understood? Up to here you do. You understood?
Okay. You have to send me the video because my card is not working now. I need to install Troll also. I don't have Troll.
Troll I will upload it. Okay, you download from it. I will share it.
And you have to send me this
Yeah.
record.
Oh yeah, I'm sending you. After finishing this class, I'm sending you. Okay? Share me your email ID, yeah? On my WhatsApp.
You have to tell me.
Okay, it is there. Okay, up to here you do, huh?
I will
Okay.
try to
Don't
do.
keep don't keep pending anything, okay? Because
Anything
after
is
that,
alright.
after that we will focus on our Wi-Fi hacking.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
I will complete everything, don't worry. Understood my point? Okay. Because I have the also paper exam is there. I told you already, right?
Yes.
But I will finish everything. Huh?
Yes.
More than that, don't worry. Okay, students are coming here for that courses and experts. Some things I am giving to them. Don't worry about it. Okay.
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 Finish the class, huh? And
Okay.
share to recording with you.
Okay. No problem. I'll be waiting for the report.
Yeah, man. Take care, huh? Bye bye.
Okay.